So in order to remove this, you're basically going to need a Phillips head and a pry bar tool, and you have to basically remove all these connectors, pop them out, and remove the shroud first. Alright, now that we have these off, so there are about 6 of them on the shroud. One broke off because it was just stuck, that's fine. You just pull this off the lever, open back. Should be just pull it back out. Alright, so next, now that we have that off, we have to remove the headlights, which is pretty easy. See these 2 tabs here? You just pull them all the way up. Sometimes they get stuck. Okay, I was wrong, there's still a bit more to do. You see in here there's these few pins in there. We just have to pop those out on both sides, and then we will most likely be able to remove the whole grille. Alright, so now we were able to remove the grille. Once you remove those pins, there were these 2 more hooks, so I guess latches, which go right down here, which you have to pull out. So you pull the grille up. So you pull the grille up, then you pull it out to be able to get it out. It does take a bit of force, but it should be fine. So now I'm going to hose up everything here and move everything to the backyard. Alright, so I brought the grille to the backyard. Now we just need to remove the inside piece of the insert just by removing them from these tabs. Afterwards, I have my aluminum mesh right there. I'm gonna cut out a size that's perfect for that, measure it out, then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, so quick little update. I've got the majority of it done so far, but I'm gonna stop for now and then do the rest tomorrow, and mainly because outside the wind picked up, it's getting cold, and it's about to rain soon, and I have no space inside where I can do this, so I'm gonna continue it tomorrow. That's how I have it so far. It does look good. Still the basic shape. This is gonna look good. I do have extra mesh in case I mess up, because I know there's a couple parts here where, for example, right over here there's a bit of a gap, but I'm pretty sure after painting it black and putting it on, you won't really notice it much. So yeah, I'm gonna pack up for the day and I'll start working on this again tomorrow. Yeah. Alright, so what's up guys? It's been a couple hours since I last recorded. I did say I would be done for the day, but I realized that I'm going to be using adhesive instead of like bolts and screws, zip ties. So the grill will take like a day to cure. I was going to use automotive goop. I didn't really want to go to the store and grab that, so I found in my garage I had some Grille glue. I used the original Grille glue, and I just used a ton of it while putting on the grill. So far it does seem to work. As I said, I just used a bunch of the Grille glue, and I did say I used, that one's the original, the other one's the white Grille glue. Used that one as well since I had them both here. So I used this one, I used this one. So my thoughts are, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, oh well, I'll just screw in some new bolts. Use a flashlight around. Yeah, so yeah. I have some extra mesh so I can do it all over again. And the reason I'm doing this is because the new surround grill with the insert on eBay costs about 200 bucks at the moment, which I don't really want to pay. So I had this lying around. I got the mesh like a month or so ago, and it was only about 25 bucks. The Grille glue was like 8 bucks. So why not? And yeah, so for tonight it's gonna cure, and then tomorrow once it's done we'll have a look if it is perfect, like if it has stuck. If it hasn't, then I'll figure something out. If it has stuck, perfect, and we'll get on to painting it black. and then putting it back on the truck. Alright, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. See ya. What's up, guys? It is currently the next day. The glue did set, but I forgot that the Gorilla Glue, when it cures, starts to bubble and foam out type of thing. So there's a bit of a mess. I did clean it up, the majority of it with my knife, scrape it off, and now I'm going to use some Goo Gone to clean up the rest, and then we're going to paint it. Alright, so I basically cleaned it up a bit. Then I went outside and spray painted it but black. It's still wet, still needs to dry. To be honest, it's starting to look much better than before. Still parts right here, you can see the glue, but on the truck I don't think you'll be able to see it. So the next clip will be the grill on the truck, because this is taking way too long and I don't want to keep recording this. So next up is the truck. Alright guys, is the grill on? Yes. Is it great? No. For the 10-15 bucks worth of material that I used for it, is it good? Yes. Will I be replacing it down the road with a new or used grill that isn't broken? Absolutely. So far it's alright. The grill's on. There are spots where I guess paint is missing. I missed it. I'm gonna go back and repaint those. But I will be replacing the grill down the road. Not yet, because I don't know how much I am going to invest into this yet, because I really just can't get past that crack. And yeah, there you have it, guys. A new grill for the truck. It beats the old one, which was cracked. Like, compared to that, it's great from 2-4 feet away. Yeah, it's decent, but if you get up close, yeah, it's pretty bad. It was my first attempt, so decent enough. Yeah, that's the grill for the F-150. Yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.